We're going to look at the content aware replace as well as content aware move. So we're going to look at this crack on the wall here, and we're going to do a couple different things with it. First, we're going to select it. Select it using the quick selection. We want a little bit further out than just the crack itself. If you go around the crack, you're going to get some weird lines. So if we get too close, it might look a little funky, but we're going to have a little bit on the outside there. If you ever want to select further out, you can always go to Select, Modify, Expand, and then you can expand by a certain number of pixels, or you can go to Select, Modify, Contract, and get a little closer. You can also smooth it out. So let's do smooth it out by a couple. Let's try that again. Smooth it out by 10. We should see the lines. See how that kind of smoothed it out and then it smooths out the edges a little bit. Alright, so now that I have it selected, I'm going to go to Edit, Fill, and under Fill we have a couple different options. So we could fill that area that we have selected with the foreground color, background color, a different color if we wanted, a pattern, history, black, white, 50% gray, but we're going to choose Content Aware, and we're going to click OK. And basically what that does is it pulls from around your pixels and replaces it. So undo, okay, and that will redo it. Alright, so that would be how you replace it. If I deselect here, you'll see there's no longer a crack on the wall. I'm going to undo that and step backward a couple times. We're going to smooth the selection. Now we can also content aware move. So underneath your healing brush here is content aware move tool. Okay. With this selected, whatever I have selected, it's going to move it and it's going to come up as a copy right now. When I let go, you're going to see it move. Okay. It took the pixels around here, pixels around itself to move the crack onto the wall. So again, there it is, and there it is. Okay. So you could see how you can move parts out of your photo and it blends it in. Now, you do need to have a consistent background. Watch what happens if I try to move it on top of the girl. It kind of gets weird. So you do need to have a similar background in order for the content aware move tool to work.